Hey, this is Richard Eimers. I'm a realtor, but I'm also a drone pilot, and I was flying my drone yesterday, that's February 21st, from Watersound Origins, where they put the kayaks and the paddleboards into the lake, across the lake, Lake Powell, into the Gulf of Mexico, hung a right, heading west down the beach coast, so you could see the homes and the things that have been going on here. 7-8 years ago, there was nothing. This was just an absolute nothing property. But in the last 7-8 years, it has just taken off as a place to be living. We actually just built a home over at Watersound Origins, moved in about 6 months ago, and the beaches here are terrific. Anyway, enjoy the flight. Richard Eimers signing off. Well, how was that? I hope you enjoyed the flight, and check back once in a while because I am going to be doing flights up and down the coast here from Destin to Panama City Beach. Generally, they're going to be around the coastal dune lakes. So have a nice day. Bye.